Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering verified details. This speeds the process. Once you have your 11-digit account number, CIF, and the registered mobile, call SBI Customer Care or head to the branch. Make sure you have original photo ID and your debit card. Branches will need to verify identity before acting. If you prefer hands-on control, call the toll-free number first to temporarily block net banking. Otherwise, prepare a written request to permanently deactivate services and sign it in person. Once done with verification, the agent or officer will confirm your request details. This is why you presented ID and account info. If you choose customer care, authenticate with KYC questions and request immediate blocking, then follow up with written confirmation at your branch. If you prefer the branch route, submit the signed request and ask them to update the net banking status to deactivated. Make sure to obtain a written acknowledgement and a reference number for tracking, so you can confirm closure later. To complete the process, wait 24-48 hours and verify that net banking access is disabled by attempting a login or calling customer care. If you still see access, call back with your reference number and ask the branch to escalate to the operations team. This speeds corrective action. Make sure to keep the branch acknowledgement. If deactivation was accidental, they will guide you to re-enroll securely. One tip: if SMS OTPs continue, ask them to unlink the mobile from net banking in writing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.